What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know I just started this video so randomly, but it's because we're going out for a walk. Yes, great. Okay, somebody's coming, but yeah. Hold up, I'll be back. Okay guys, so basically what I'm doing, I'm gonna go for a walk by myself and just taking you guys with me, because why not, you know? So what time is it? It's like, hold on, let me check. It's 6:53. Let me see if you guys can see. No, you guys can't see, but it's 6:53, and basically I haven't gotten out of my bed until right now, and I brought my dog with me. She's right here. She can't be because she's a puppy and we don't want her to get like any fleas or anything, so I had to bring her in a bag, so she's behind me. And yeah, so I'm basically gonna be walking. That's about it because I have nothing better to do, so let's just go for a walk.
The sun is like burning my eyes, but it's cool.
Okay guys, so let's show you a little montage of me walking.
I got scared, okay? Okay.
So a car literally just passed and I was hella nervous because I usually don't walk by myself, or like with my puppy. I walk with my pit bull, so I feel more protected, but I didn't feel like bringing my pit bull because she doesn't
Listen to me, guys. If she would
listen a little bit more, I would probably bring her. But yeah,
this is all we're doing: walking, listening to nature.
so yeah, so I don't know what else to do but walk. So right now I'm probably gonna walk a little bit more to a place where like it's
So pretty lake.
there's a little pond and there's animals and everything. So I'm probably gonna walk over there and take pictures for my Instagram. I'm gonna try to take pretty pictures for my Instagram. Okay, so when we get there, you'll see what's gonna happen. gonna be so pretty. So I'm probably
gonna take, oh my god, hold on.
okay. So I know everybody is because I'm sweating, but this is where like it's so pretty. Let me get closer. Like this is the prettiest like part from the whole area of my house where I live. I'm scared that a snake is gonna come out. I'll probably do a mini montage, like a little slow-mo for you guys. I said I was gonna do a montage, but instead we're gonna do a slide. Like really wanted to show you guys because it's just so pretty. Like that was pretty. So I'm walking back. The breeze came. Okay, so I'm basically walking back to my house because I just wanted to show that part to y'all guys because I think that's like so pretty, and I'm probably already gonna be moving and just making sure you guys see that. Okay, I might be adding some cute little pictures of what like I got. So yeah. Right now, when I get closer to my house, I'll probably show you some parts there because maybe there's something pretty. But okay, guys, you. Hey guys, okay. So I'm still walking home because it's like a little bit of a long walk. But let's just enjoy this landscape. You know, I think that's what it's called, landscape. I don't know, but. Let's just look at all this beautiful, natural, you know, type of deal. Ooh, what is they? Ew, crusty, dusty. I feel like I should get home already. Like, I low-key want to run, but I can't. Because this bag is heavy and Chanel's in there and she's like thirsty already. But we're almost there. So you can see my shoe prints. Look, those are mine. Hide them. Okay guys, I'll catch you guys later. I started running because this big bird, I think it was an owl, it came and it like flew toward like, this is why I don't go out of my house. I got scared. Okay, so I think it was an owl. I'm not sure because there's owls where we live because there's a lot of trees. So it was like brown and then its thing like here was white. I don't know if that's bad luck. Okay, I'm gonna ask my mom if that's bad luck because guys, I got scared. Okay, my sister's coming. But basically, yeah, that's all for the video. Disclaimer, if I have any like stains on my shirt, I don't know. But yeah guys, right now I'll see you guys when I go inside my house. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Like if you like this video, subscribe and tap that bell notification to get notified when I post the video. And also comment down any video suggestions that you want me to do and I'll be happy to do them. And what is else to say? Also, go check out my previous videos, cause I'm trying guys, I'm trying. So also go check those out, leave a like and yeah, comment and everything. And also, I think that's it. Bye guys, peace, love ya.